How to transfer your photos to Google Photo on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos to Google Photo on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down until you find this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then just click next, and here click Google Photos, and now just click this one here, click none, and then click next, and now just connect your Facebook with your Google Photos, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.